omukoro gw'okutongoza ekitabo kya Refusing to Quit gukorirwe ahari UMNIF Officers Club aha kitebe kikuru kya SFC omuri Entebbe kandi guhikirwaho abantu nyamwingi b'ebitiinisa. Omunyishenjero Benjamin Kamukama asimire Kano Joseph Bashire abo kwayo bwirebwe akahandika ekitabo cy'obwengye kandi kireme ebigambo byo kwegyesa omuntu okwari kubasa kwetungura okurabira mu mbere nungi nembi.
It is a great achievement for us as people of Nyachera, people of Ruhama East and people of Ntungamo who never quit, as he said, my brother here said it. So I want to thank you for joining this great family of authors and really wish you well, because it has been mentioned here that very soon you are going to produce another book. We shall support you, my brother.
Chief of Staff of Special Forces Command Brigadier General Paulo Namawa ojwekira omudumizi wa SFC Major General David Mugisha asimire Kano Bashire abwo mutuma gwo kukunda ihanga rye.
Is a testimony that all of you, even himself, has come out to show the world that is actually the best in what he does. Having that confidence and ability to do what you've just pulled off.
I'm very happy, and as a friend, and like most of you would be knowing, since you are here, you must be part of Bashire. Bashire is a person who is dependable, exemplary in everything that he does, very resilient, bold, he's a go-getter, and his integrity is not questionable. So we are here to celebrate the fruits of an extraordinary officer.
Kano Bashire n'omuserukare w'iheru kuma president kandi ogu ashoborire Chamuka kwayo bwirebwe akahandika ekitabo eki.
Your struggles do not define you, but your response to them does. Embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. Know that stumbling is not failure. It is merely a stepping stone towards progress. Believe in yourself, even when the world feels indifferent, and never underestimate the power of a single determined heart.
Gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.